Alright guys, here we go. It's time to pack again for another adventure. Got some options back here behind me. I'm not quite sure what all I'm going to pack, but whatever I need has to fit in that backpack. Where I'm going, I'm looking at temperatures of highs in the 80s for the day and upper 60s at night. So I'm deciding if I want to take a pair of jeans or all shorts, or if I want to wear jeans to the airport. But let's see what we can fit in this backpack. What's going on, guys? Eric here. I am on my way to my next adventure. Where am I going? I am going to Asheville, North Carolina. So right now my flight is delayed about 45 minutes. So I'm stopping to have a cup of coffee and a little bit of breakfast. Asheville is right in the heart of the Appalachian Mountains and right in the middle of the Blue Ridge Parkway. So I do plan on doing some driving and hiking along the Blue Ridge Parkway. Couple of weird little travel tips for you. One is cool socks. You got the Tupac socks on. I do plan on doing some hiking. That's why I got the hiking boots. It's weird when I wear these socks going through airport security. It just puts the TSA agents in a little bit of a better mood. I figure you got a better chance of getting through security with less hassles. Alright guys, so here we are at one of my favorite airports to fly out of. I'm at Kirkland Airport. My car is parked right back there. Terminal is right over that way. That's why I like this airport. I can park. There's a shuttle service, but you can walk right to the gate. It's a beautiful day. There's like maybe 4 to 8 gates total inside. You get through security pretty quick. I love when I can fly out of a small airport. All right, so let's talk about this airport real quick. Like I said, I think there's 11 gates here. 1 and 2, 3 through 7. I'm gonna be at gate 4. And 8 to 11 are that way. This is the new concourse. Because there's like nobody here. I love small airports. But I think back in the day, I remember my dad used to bring me here before you had to go through all the security. Anybody come in, there was a observation deck. So I got plenty of time to kill. Probably going to sit over here, charge my battery. Sorry guys, one thing that always drives me crazy about airports is finding outlets. I don't understand. You got a new concourse and there's barely any outlets. So I found one. I'm charging my phone. I might try to upload this video real quick. And I will see you guys when I land.